Hello, I'm San Diego County District Attorney Summer Stephan. Thank you for joining me for this week's DA News. We had a great moment in justice when Nathan Mathis was sentenced for the murder of 74-year-old Mr. Finney in Escondido. This murder happened in 1986, and despite best efforts, it went unsolved. Our cold case division worked closely with the police department and law enforcement in order to bring justice to this case. There was a bloody fingerprint, and the defendant made the mistake of applying for a certificate to become a security guard. His fingerprints were submitted in the system, and finally we were able to use that piece of evidence along with other evidence to bring justice to this case. He was sentenced to a life term with a minimum of 15 years in prison. I want to thank Deputy District Attorney Tom Manning, Brooke DeFreschi, and also DA Investigator Tony Johnson for never giving up on this case. Their work in the cold case division has made the division so successful in bringing justice to old cases. I also want to bring attention to the MAD Awards. We were honored as an office to have the MAD Award go to Prosecutor Deputy District Attorney David Uyar and also victim advocate Carmen Rodriguez. Prosecutor Uyar has worked so diligently on so many homicide DUI cases, especially in the North County region where those cases have doubled. His caseload is just so complex, and it requires so much work in order to put these cases together. But they're very important because these crimes are preventable. And he was able in 2 cases recently to bring a homicide conviction to a DUI fatality. The work of Carmen Rodriguez in the way that she handles victims with compassion was also the subject of the awards at the MAD Awards, and we truly appreciate those on behalf of the whole team. Remember, we're here for you. Just reach out if there's anything we can do to help you, and I'll talk to you next week.